Hello everyone, my name is Anupam Srivastav. Today I will share you a trick on how to study one of the logs from user equipment. Due to proprietary reasons, I have deleted all the comments and the proprietary information from that UE log. My intention is to show you how you can derive the useful data for that particular signal or the subframe or the SFN slots. So let's get started. If you see my sheet, so I have just taken a very small sample of the data from the UE log where I have column A, which is giving you the time, column B, which is a custom column having the starting SFN, which is SFN 926. As we know that subframe can go, SFNs can go from 0 to 1023. And then we have subframe numbers. So you can see that this is basically the slot number. You have all the subframe numbers as 0 here if it's in every now. What I want is that I want to study that what will be the signal quality, say SSB, SINR, or RSRP in that particular time frame. So, for example, if I want to study, let me just show you that what will be the SINR of a particular channel in this particular time frame. Okay, so my intention is that I want to shift all these cells into one particular line. Okay, so I want to shift this starting SFN into this particular cell, my subframe FN, subframe number into this particular cell, and so on, and delete all the null values or the cells where we have no data. How we can achieve it? Let's go. All right, so we can see here that we have three columns here, and if you see the pattern, then you can see that this pattern is getting repeated after each three rows. You see, so my time here is this one. So this is in the format of hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and then you can see that this is getting being repeated after every each three rows. So here, then three rows, count is three. Then again here, you see count is 3 and so on. So what we can do is that let's make it into an array where all this data will be into one single column. Let's see how we can do that. I'll do this like use a formula like say convert it into two column to call and then array. So this is gonna be my whole array. Then keep all the values or ignore the blanks. So I want to ignore the blanks first. Let's see what it gives. So this is the one. Now you can see that we have different cells where we have the data which we don't need at the moment. So how we can remove these ones? So we can do something like let me see if we can have something like remove the empty cells or something. Let me just do like here, take a filter and remove all the empty cells or the blanks. Okay. So now we have all the data in one particular cell in one particular column, say column number E, without any empty cells. Okay, let me take this guy into a different worksheet. Place it over here. Okay, and then I can do something like wrap rows. Yeah, so wrap these rows. This is my data, and into how many rows I need to wrap them. As you have seen in the previous sheet that after each three cells, it is getting repeated. So let me use the value 3. After value 3, it should wrap the data. And there you go. So you have the column number B, the time, column number C, the starting SFN, and column number D, the subframe number. Now you can simply use a table control T and then you can use the split by function to split it from the equal to sign, and then you can make a plot of like at this particular time, say um, 10 48 55 to 18, what is my signal quality. I have deleted the data from the ssb SNR or the other rsrp channels due to proprietary reasons. So this is one of the way you can do it. Let me share you the another method how we can achieve the same thing. So let me delete this guy here. Okay, now we can do with one more trick. Let me see what function we can use. So let me use the function concatenate. Let me use the concatenate function, and then we can do like this. And you can see that now we have all the data in one particular cell. Okay, yeah. And once we reach up to this point, we can use the same function as a wrap rows to split them into different columns without any um, empty cells over there. Let me know if we have any other data from the telecom networks we want to analyze. You can just share to my YouTube channel, and I'll try to help from the best possible way I could. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.